everyone, this is Teacher Kat and welcome to my channel. For today, I will teach you how to make your own interactive Google Slides for your Google Classroom. This will be a drag and drop activity where children will drag the correct sound of the animal and drag it to the call out icon, and also they are going to name the animal and type their answer on the box. All of my graphics are from Slidesmania. I will include the link below if you want to check it out. So in this video, I will be using PowerPoint first to make my own background, save it to PNG, and then edit it on Google Slides. So first, open a blank PowerPoint presentation, remove all the boxes. I will not change the size of this presentation because this is not meant for printing. So I will just copy the graphics and paste it on my new presentation. After copying the graphics or designing your background, I will insert a box where the children will write the name of the animal. Also, I will insert a call-out icon. I will put some shape effects. I'll just copy and then paste it on the other slides. So there we already have our background. Now go to File, click on Export, change file type, click on PNG Portable, and Save As. My slides are now converted to PNG. Here it is. Next, you open your Google Drive and click on New. Click on New Google Slides. Again, remove the boxes by clicking on it and pressing Delete. Duplicate the slides by clicking on the right button and clicking on Duplicate Slides. Now, let's go to Background, choose an image, and browse for the PNG you have saved. Okay, so if we change the background, this will not be altered or accidentally deleted. It cannot be moved. So we do this to the rest of the slides. Now we are ready to edit each slide. Since the children will be writing their answers here on the box, we need to put a text box here. And then you might want to increase also the font size and also change the font. Then now you're good. Okay, and then the next thing is I will again insert a text box for the animal sound. Okay, so that's how we do to the rest of the slides. So I will just select this one, press Control to select all, and then including the text box here, and then Control C, go to the next slide, and then just press Control V to copy it. The children will be able to write their answers here, for example, and then drag their answer. Okay, so that's it. You now have your interactive Google Slides. If you want to give this to your children, just click on Share and send it to your students. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to contact me on my email or comment below. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.